from people who've used and made contact with the community agents has been phenomenal.
When you see somebody who's been living by themselves, not going out, not having any visitors, suddenly start going to the lunch club or to a local activity, just the look on their face really when they start making contact with people.
A lot of the residents have been asking for activities, and they might say, well, I used to love playing Scrabble but I haven't got anyone to play with, or I'd like to do netball but I can't do the ordinary netball now. So we set up activities that have been asked for by the people living in the community.
When I lost my husband, I had a note through the door from Dilys, the community agent, inviting me, would I need help, would I like advice, and over the time she has introduced me to groups. There was no pressure. There was just support, and this has been really good for me because it's got me out into the community.
One of the activities we started in Coedpoeth was a walk in football. Been going about 3 or 4 years now, and mainly players over 60, quite a few in the mid-70s, and we've been lucky enough to have 3 or 4 who actually played for the Welsh team now.
Yeah, the community agents is a really good example of us working in a multi-agency way, so it's ourselves, supported by the health board and primary care, which has been really critical to get their support and buy-in with the project, and also the third sector and the wider community.
I think the big advantage is the fact that I'm local and know so many people and know the needs of the area. And last year I was awarded a community award, which I was thrilled about because they recognised the importance role the community agent does in the area.
People are not only benefiting from the community agents, but it's enabling people to give back and feel valued in their communities as well.